Well, last year was amazing. I mean, me as a newcomer, really, people at Purdue just took me as somewhat like a part of the family. Then season-wise, I think we did great things. I know Coach Moody from my last school, South Alabama. I came with them, so it was easier for me to adapt better. But in regards to my teammates, I think we all did a great job at just sticking together and following a plan, and I think that was shown on the field. We're really excited. Obviously, every athlete, I think we all have prepared over the summer, over a spring season to get to this moment. So we take every game as our last game of our lives, as a final. So we're really excited. We're all new to each other. We have a really young team as well, but we'll be fine. The girls are amazing. The coaching staff has done amazing too to, merge us together and just be teammates and even, family. That's a big thing with us. Every time we break it down, we say 1, 2, 3, family, and I think that resonates with me a lot and with this team. Being happy and because at the end of the day, it's a game. Soccer is a game, and the main object of the game is just having fun. So why are you playing if you're not going to have fun playing? So that's it.